kanyang muling pag-upo bilang chairman ng Regional Development Council ng Region 6, ay hinikayat ni Governor Rodora Dodon Cadiao ang mga kapwa niya public servant na makiisa sa kanyang layunin.
My fellows RDC 6, as your RDC chair, we shall continue to work driven by the slogan, Whole of a Nation approach, where we aim that the government, private sector, civil society, and the whole citizenry are able to work together for a just and sustainable peace. My mandate requires me to effectively communicate the current situation and also the future of a region. This is the reason why I want my second term as your chairperson to focus on building the foundation of that future through collaborative efforts with the different stakeholders and sectors in the region to truly realize our vision, mission, and goals as stated in the Regional Development Plan. This December 15-30, 2019, we will be celebrating our Binirayan Festival. In this regard, I would like to take this opportunity to invite all of you to join us and feast on our native lechon, where Antique is the native lechon capital of the country. Let me end my speech by quoting Winston Churchill, who said, "We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give." Duru-duru gid salamat. Kruhay Antique.
Ipinaabot naman ni Congresswoman Inday Loren Legarda ang kanyang pagsuporta sa layuning ito ng ating gobernadora.
I would like to take the opportunity to thank all of you present, elected officials, those belonging to the bureaucracy, for your continued support of all my advocacies and endeavors. Rest assured, I remain your steadfast partner in Congress and beyond in the pursuit of our common goal to serve our country and our people the best way we can. Again, congratulations, Dodon, more power to you, to all of us, and to our beloved people in the country.
Makakaasa kayo na sa pagtutulungan ng ating mga kasalukuyang namumuno ay masasaayos hindi lang ang buhay ng mga taga-Antique, kung hindi, pati na ang buong Western Visayas. Congratulations, Duke Dodot!